Tutorial 12. Hello and welcome. The following tutorial explains about system alerts and events. In order to access the Events page, click on the Events icon from the Model main panel. An alert is defined as a situation in which one of the detectors has identified an abnormality, whose duration is beyond the delay time defined in this detector. An event is a situation in which one or more detectors have created an alert. The event starts when the first detector recognizes an abnormality, and ends when the last detector goes back to normal. Please note, there is a difference between current events and historical events which have already ended. In order to deal with a current event, click the lightning icon, second from the left in the row of icons, that appears at the top of the screen. In the case of a current event, the screen will display the event's starting time and duration time. It will also indicate which detectors were activated during the event. It will also display the timestamp when the event was switched to a triggered status. This is the moment when one of the detectors reaches and passes its delay time. The detectors are ordered according to their start time, but it is possible to rearrange them differently by clicking the column titles. The Reset Events icon on the left allows the user to reset the event, in order to check whether the alerts still exist, or if they have ended. Historical events can be viewed via the Events screen. The screen includes a table of all of the historical events. At the button there is a description box of the chosen event. Please move with the mouse over each one of the icons located on the left, in order to display its functionality. The drop-down fields in the Filter section of the screen enable to filter the list by variable, detector type, status, and severity. Below the list of events displayed summary statistics. The lower part of the screen shows for each selected event, the detectors that were triggered. More information about classifying events is provided in Tutorial 13. Thank you. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful and clear. If not, or if you have any additional suggestions or comments regarding this tutorial, please submit your remarks via our website.